Today, we're going to go ahead and take a look at some of the resources our district has to offer along the lines of teacher expectations. So in order to get there, you can go to the district website or you can go to the Montello Elementary School website. I'm going to go to School Information. I'm going to click on Teacher Expectations, which is right below the Montello Math website, which I heard was really cool. So on Teacher Expectations, this will show us the different grade levels to choose from. I suggest going ahead and making a tab at the top of the page so that you can have access to this whenever you need it. Since they're all very similar, I'm going to go ahead and click on 4th grade. When you click on it, you have expectations and pacing guide, curriculum map, scoring criteria, common assessments. We're going to focus in on the math one, so I'm going to go ahead and click on pacing guide. So this will show us what we are teaching and when. So all of the dates have been slightly adjusted from last year to accommodate more time to teach the lessons and units throughout the whole year. Usually the last unit on the math expectations page, it will show us 3 different columns. The first column is the unit that we are teaching, then it is the time frame, and then the common assessments. So the first unit that we are teaching is Chapter 1, Place Value. The standards that we are going to be teaching are NBT 1, NBT 2, and NBT 3. We are going to start that on September 14th. We do need to do chapters 1 through 4, hopefully by November 2nd. That's our goal. And the common assessment after chapter 1 will be the place value assessment, which you can access simply by clicking on it. So, now that we know what the standards are that we are going to be teaching, let's take a look at what we are going to be reporting out on for trimester 1. So we're going to go ahead and click on Curriculum Map. When we click on Curriculum Map, this will show us the standards that we are teaching and when we are going to report out on them. So when we go ahead and look at the 4th grade standards, trimester 1, the assessed for proficiency standards are going to be labeled with a P. If you remember, we are going to be teaching NBT 1, NBT 2, and NBT 3 in Chapter 1. Those are 3 standards that will be reported out on during trimester 1. So that's very important to remember, especially when we are collecting data from students. So we have that data to support our report out on. Other standards that will be reported out on will be highlighted and marked with a P next to it. For instance, NFB 4 is going to be reported out on trimester 2, right there. So these are just the teacher expectations and resources that we have available to us. As you go around and look at the English and Language Arts one, you can do the same thing for pacing guide and curriculum, but we just focused on math today. If you need any assistance, please ask any of the coaches and they can help you in any capacity. Have a great day.